What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Today I'm going to be covering ICP. Make sure you stay tuned till the end of the video. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. No.
So this was ICP in my last video. It was trading at $12.80, and I was talking about how price action had just broken above the 21-day and the 50-day moving average. And then I gave it two options. I said I wouldn't be surprised if price action broke up to this measure move at $14.19, or if price action then came down and bounced off the 21-day moving average. And I like to back up what I say, so I'm going to go ahead and play the clip. And the second one being that ICP comes down and touches the 21-day or the 50-day moving average. Fast forward to the current ICP chart, and that is exactly what happened. Price action came down and bounced off of the 21-day and the 50-day moving average as they kind of merged. So had you guys waited for that to happen and then took the trade, you could be up around 10% right now, which is actually not bad at all. And if you guys enjoy making gains in the crypto market, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I would greatly appreciate it. But I'll go deeper into the charts at the end of the video, so make sure you guys stay tuned. So as I was saying, ICP is currently trading at about $13.21. Its market cap is just over $6 billion, which ranks 16th among all cryptocurrencies. And its circulating supply is 457 million out of a total supply of 514 million. And then if you guys are looking to buy ICP, I recommend either using Binance or Coinbase. I think those are the two easiest centralized exchanges to use. But now we'll go ahead and hop into the Definity X account, which has 685,000 followers. And the first thing is what Signals posted on February 1st. We're excited to announce our integration with Open Chat. You can now send messages to people on Signals. And then Dfinity responded, love seeing collaboration among ICP ecosystem dApps for improved user experiences. Let's continue building together. And then they posted February 9th. The EVM RPC canister beta is now live. This service helps to easily build integrations between ICP and Ethereum smart contracts. It keeps dApps secure by automatically inferring consensus among multiple RPC providers with each outbound request. So as usual with ICP, it seems like every single time I talk about them, they are continuing to develop and build their ecosystem. And then lastly, I want to talk about this post on February 7th. Scaling solutions are crucial after Bitcoin ETFs and ordinals drive growth. The BTC integration on ICP provides scalability with transaction finality of 1 to 2 seconds and reduces the network congestion from the base layer. And as most of you guys know, speed is everything. So anytime you can increase speed, that's going to be bullish for a project. But now we'll go ahead and take a look at some macro news that could affect ICP's price action, even though it's not directly correlated to ICP. So this is Watcher Guru's X account, and they just posted on February 9th. 18 days ago, Jim Cramer said Bitcoin is unlikely to find its footing. Bitcoin is up 20% since then. And I'm not going to lie, pretty much everything he says about Bitcoin at this point turns out to be the exact opposite. Now, obviously that's not guaranteed, so don't try and use that to trade or anything, but at this point it's kind of funny. And then they also posted on February 9th. Blackrock says Bitcoin creates global internet value that allows assets to move at low cost and in near real time across borders. And this is obviously one of the things that makes crypto in general extremely bullish. However, what's important right here is who is actually saying it, and that is BlackRock. Remember, BlackRock is the world's largest asset manager in charge of almost $10 trillion of funds. So if they are sitting there hyping up Bitcoin and crypto, how do you expect crypto to fail in the future? And obviously most of you guys watching this video probably do not, but I'm just saying that to the average crypto doubter. And to go along with that, BlackRock and Fidelity now hold over 151,000 Bitcoin worth over 7.1 billion for their spot Bitcoin ETFs. And that is insane to see how fast the ETFs are actually growing, because this clearly shows that a lot of people are interested in the ETFs. And I would guess that a lot of that is the older generations who don't understand self-custody, because the reality is if you do understand self-custody, you're probably going to want to hold Bitcoin on your own. But a lot of people out there don't understand it, which is why they want BlackRock to just hold their assets for them. But anyways, while we're on X, you guys should come over and give your boy a follow at Crypto Now or Never. I've been trying to grow my X account. I've actually been posting on here pretty much every single day, and I've actually been making some very profitable calls, so make sure you guys stay tuned. And then if you guys actually wanted to take it a step further, I have an opportunity for you. So I have launched a private Discord through Patreon, and at this current moment, we are up to about 11 total members. But we have been making some very nice gains recently. For example, we just nailed Mine Token for 70% in 2 days. And then we nailed Hello Labs for 19% in 1 hour, which I actually posted this prematurely because it would have been closer to 24%. But go ahead and scroll through my posts. I nailed Bitcoin, I nailed Caspa, I'm constantly posting buy alerts, etc. And buy alerts are just part of it. For example, you guys will be able to track the cryptos that I am personally buying, selling, considering buying, and even the cryptos that I currently hold, which I believe could give you a significant leg up on the competition. You have to understand a lot of these cryptos are microcap gems, less than 10 million in market cap. These are the kind of cryptos that could theoretically turn $1,000 into $100,000. So if this sounds like something you guys might be interested in, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage. It's in the description. But now for the final part of this video, we'll get into some technical analysis. So this is ICP on the daily time frame. Now, as I said, had you guys waited until we bounced off the 21-day moving average, you could have made about 10% gains. But anyways, what am I seeing right now? So for starters, the RSI is still neutral, but then the stochastics are actually getting pretty overbought. Now, if you look at price action, we swing from a lower low to a higher low. The RSI is higher low to lower low, which is a massive Class A bullish divergence. Now, yes, it is a little bit older, and you could argue that we already got that bounce. But what I will say is, again, that is a very strong Class A bullish divergence. So typically, you will see an even larger move than this. Now, the reality is that right now, price action is trading above both the 21-day and the 50-day moving average. That is a very good sign to see. A lot of cryptos out there are not doing that. So to be completely honest with you, as long as price action can stay above these levels, I think it's just a matter of time before we come up and retest this local high at about $16.30. On the contrary, if we break beneath the 21-day and the 50-day, there is a reality where we fall all the way down to $8.58. Now, is that likely? Probably not, but it's a possibility. The first level of support would be a lot closer to $10.35. But lastly, we'll take a look at Bitcoin as it's correlated to most altcoins. And it's always satisfying when Bitcoin nails your measured move perfectly. And this right here is why I recommend to my subscribers that you watch all of my content and not just the cryptos that you actually like. Because I cover Bitcoin in every single video and it can significantly impact price action. And for about the last week or week and a half, I have been calling Bitcoin on a bull flag, which I said break up 68% of the time, and this has a measured move to over $48,000. And at this current moment, the high is $48,592. So just to be clear, in the short term, I'm looking to see whether or not price action can close a candle above this previous local high, which was $48,969. So basically, can Bitcoin close a candle above $49,000? If it can, that could be extremely bullish for the entire crypto market. However, the number one thing that you don't want to see happen is that a double top ends up forming. If that happens, we could end up dropping all the way back down to the 21-day moving average. But also, as I say in every single one of my videos, macroeconomics significantly outweigh technical analysis. So just understand, crypto is an extremely volatile asset class. Anything can happen. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments, how high do you guys think ICP will go next bull run? If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.